Hello, this is a video about the items we're going to solder together. Here we have an example of a light bulb and a resistor that have been soldered, and this is the end product. So we're just going to start soldering more light bulbs and resistors.
This is how we solder the light bulb and resistor together.
Somebody played the notes somewhere else. What about the dimmers? What about the dimmers?
Okay, so when we have soldered it together, we now want to put it into a shrink wrap so that there's no bare wire. So we're going to do this by first cutting off a piece of shrink wrap about this long. And then we're going to fit the wire through here like that until it reaches the light bulb. We're now going to use the solder and shrink it on to
YR is 100.
see it's slowly shrinking into the right size of the wire, which is what we want.
Careful with your fingers. That's not too bad, is it?
Okay. Now we have an end product.